All right, guys, today's video, we're going to talk about Gemini cryptocurrency. I decided to join them. I just want to break down why. And if you're interested in the video after this, I have a link as well where you get a referral bonus. You can get up to $15 in the crypto of your choice. So here's the link below. I'll attach it in the intro. I'm going to break down what Gemini is, why I chose them. I'm going to go over the fee structure, what investments I'm looking at long term, and let's just get right into it. All right, so looking at Gemini, this is a privately owned cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, trade, and securely store more than 150 cryptocurrencies. It was launched in 2014 by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss under the formal name Gemini Trust LLC. Basically, it's a tiered service with separate interfaces and fees structured for casual investors and hardcore traders, as they say. It also has a mobile app, which you can use, which is, we're going to go over that because you get higher fees trading on a mobile app. You have a payment app, and then you have its own currency, the Gemini dollar. So if you're interested in Gemini, I just want to break down the history a little bit, just so you have a more well-rounded view. You see these two guys? This is Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. Their little history is that they're known for accepting a $65 million settlement against Mark Zuckerberg, in which they claim that Facebook was their idea and Zuckerberg stole it. So I just wanted you to get an idea. These are your owners of Gemini. It was launched in 2014, and this exchange went live for customers in the United States around October 2015. And then mid-2016, they went international. And guys, Gemini has soon expanded to Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, Japan. It has gone all over, and this is why I am more comfortable now choosing Gemini as my choice for holding cryptocurrency. And I'm going to go over one other area that I own Bitcoin and Ethereum as well. So anybody that watches my channel knows that I trade on Fidelity mainly. But Fidelity offers crypto, but they only offer Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now I've branched out to Gemini so I can buy other cryptocurrency coins. And I believe this will be very good to create a well-balanced portfolio with crypto. All right, guys, so under the tab Trade, you can see all the coins that Gemini offers. So right away, you can see Bitcoin right here, Ethereum, they have Gemini Dollar, the Book of Meme, Cat in a Dog's World, Peanut the Squirrel. They have some interesting crypto names. But I just wanted to show you, I'm going to scroll down so you can see, you can pause it if you want, but they also have XRP, they have Doge, Polygon, Solana, they have Shiba. They have a bunch of options that you can choose from. And that's why I chose Gemini. They've been around for over 10 years, and they offer many options for cryptocurrency that you can buy. Now, there are others that you can't buy that you might have to use Coinbase or other ones, but they are adding more cryptocurrency as time goes on. So I just wanted to show you real quick that if you wanted to invest in Mudang or Helium, there are other options as well. There's plenty of cryptocurrencies, as you can see. So now when you're on this tab All, you can move over to Top Movers, where you can see which ones are moving the most. You can see Orchid is moving 41%, GeoJam 34%. You can click on Top Traded and get an idea of what's the most top traded cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Doge, and Solana, at least on the Gemini platform. They have recently launched, so you can see which ones are new. If you're interested in trying to find the next one that's going to go to the moon, you can look at memes, the metaverse, DeFi, and stable coins as well. All right, guys, so we're going to look at Make a Trade here. I want to review the fees real quick. I want to show you a big thing that I noticed. If you just try to make a trade, you get charged a lot of fees. So let me show you. On frequency once, amount just $100 as an example, under ETH. Now we're going to click Review Order. All right, so this is the tab that comes up. We have a $100 order to buy ETH, 0.029045 of ETH. It's an instant buy. And what I want you to notice is look at the fee, $3. So a 3% fee to buy Ethereum. Right away, I'm going to show you a way where we are not going to pay 3%. We're going to pay way less than that. Check this out. All right, so when you're on the main trade screen right here, you're going to click right here on the profile icon, and you're going to see Simple to Use, which is what we have activated. And if you trade within Simple and Easy to Use, it's going to be very simple and easy for them to take 3% of your money. So what I want you to do is click Active Trader Pro. So after you click Active Trader, this is what shows up for you now. And I know it might look like a lot, but I'm just going to quickly break down just what the fee structure looks like. So we're under ETH here, and you can see that the price currently is at $3,319. And what I'm going to do on the right side of the screen is I'm going to put in for the same $100, as you can see right here. And I did a limit order, which is right here, a limit order. Now, if you show on the bottom, you will see fee. Look at the fee. It is 0.04. Now, just before on the video, when we used the easy to use, we were getting charged $3, which was 3%. Now you're getting charged 0.4%. That's a huge savings compared. You're not giving up $3. You're only giving up 40 cents to make the same exact trade. So I just want you to know that. If you switch this to market, you will still get a better discount compared to what the easy to use simple was. So look right here, total $100 US dollars, and it's showing that the fee is 0.39. It's actually less. It's 0.01 less than before using a limit order. So you need to make your trades on Gemini on the active trader. You will get lower fees. So I just want everybody watching this video to get a better understanding of the active trader fee schedule and why you're getting a better fee structure. So the fee for every trading pair is determined by the gross trading volume in US dollars across all of Gemini's continuous order books over a 30 calendar day trailing window. Your fee rate will be recalculated every day at midnight. So here is the list here, the 30-day volume. And basically, as you can see, there's a taker's fee and then a maker fee. And that's why, look at the fees, they're so much less. So if you have greater than 10,000 volume, you're going to pay 0.3%. The maker is 0.1%. If you have greater than 50,000 volume, the fee will start to decrease at 0.25% to 0.1%. And then when it gets very, like the volume is super high, greater than 50 million or 10 million, look at the fees, they're lower, 0.08, 0.02, 0.05, 0%. And that is how the fee structure works. So make sure you use the trader option. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you, I started this account yesterday, transfer over 500 bucks. This is our portfolio so far. Don't copy my trades. You know, always do your own research. I'm going to start to dollar cost average each month using the option I showed you just to avoid the high fees. I just want to show you what's in the portfolio for now. We have XRP on the bottom. We have AMP. We have Shiba. And currently, XRP makes up 59% of this portfolio in Gemini. AMP makes up 21%, and Shiba makes up 19%. So you can see, just for those that are new, when you own like XRP here, I have almost $300 in XRP, and it shows it right down here. And then here in AMP, it shows 106, and Shiba 99.88. All right, guys, so that wraps up the video. If you're interested in Gemini, definitely check out the link. Referral link's right here. I'll attach it in the intro in the description below. I appreciate you guys tuning in. And those of you that are new to the channel, I definitely have more content. Check out the playlist. This is the icon, Trading Simplified. I have many playlists based on Fidelity investments, Vanguard investments. I break down stocks, day trading on Fidelity using the Fidelity Active Trader program, and my trading P&L of 2024 is up here. So definitely check out that stuff. There's a lot to offer on here. I appreciate it. And I have more links. I have my X Twitter up here and TikTok up here. So if you appreciate it, like, subscribe, comment, and if you're interested in Gemini, click the link below. Use the referral, get the free $15. Appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching.